I discovered that the watch does not work. Yay! Look at that. Yay! Bought myself the VVDI watch. So I took it out of the box already, and I discovered that the watch does not work. Look at this. I've replaced the battery behind, which I'm gonna show you is a 2025 battery, but the watch still doesn't work. So you can adjust it. The watch itself does not work. There's a LED in there. I don't know if this can be seen on camera. When I press the buttons, that LED in there flashes, but the watch doesn't work. So I'm gonna open it again. See, the thing is, after I replaced the battery in this, I realized that this watch has two parts, and one of the parts is the actual remote, and is the battery of the remote, which is this one. That is already replaced, as I said. It's a 2025, and behind this is the actual watch. Oh, mind-blowing. So this needs to be replaced as well. I hope this will fix the problem, because I really like this watch. Yay! Look at that. Yes, it works. Not gonna put this back. Oh. How was it? Dang. So that goes in there. Yep. And that goes in there. Yep. See, there's an arrow pointing towards this button. Anyways, okay. I'm gonna put the battery back. This is a bit awkward because it does not stay in. So just leave it there and try to put the cap back. So it works. Done. Problem solved. Yeah, so anyway, that's how you replace the batteries, both of them, in this watch. Yeah, alright. Take care. Bye bye.